Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix your GE window air conditioner that is beeping and that is flashing the lights, and I'm also going to explain that those warning signals what actually means. So first of all, the blinking lights and the repeated beeping usually means that the air conditioner has detected a fault, such as a power interruption or a dirty filter reminder or a control panel issue, or sometimes it is sensor problem. So in order to fix it, what you need to do is you need to simply do a quick restart. So in this restart, what you need to do is you just have to simply turn off your AC, then unplug it from the power outlet. Then you just have to wait for at least 5 to 10 minutes. After this time duration, you just have to plug it back in and turn your AC back on. So what this is going to do is it is going to clear any temporary glitches that you might be facing, and it is going to basically most probably fix this particular error. Now you can also check for the air filters indicator whether it is on. If it is, you just have to simply remove the front grill and you need to clean the air filter with water and let it dry completely, then reinstall it, and then you just have to simply press and hold the filter reset button for about 3 seconds in order to basically clear the reminder. So you can try these two easy fixes and see if it is now working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.